All right, for those of you who are not replacing the top plates or the face plates, but installing them, this is what the board looks like. Now, in the box with the face plates, there are a couple bags of screws. So these little tiny screws that were right here, I just want to show you what they look like. They went in these 4 holes. They actually look like this. They're super tiny, but they're kind of short. So we need to replace those tiny tinies, meaning this screw, with this screw. Just because that faceplate is fatter, meaning when it goes on top of that top part, like that, then you need the longer screw in order to go in these 4 holes. Okay. Now Chris likes to take off the entire OAM, and part of the reason why he likes to do that is sometimes it's easier to shake it in order to get that top section to align and the screws to align so that it will seat flat on top of the heatsink. Now, not saying it's always easy. Sometimes it takes a bit of cajoling. Sometimes it also takes a screwdriver, for example, and just to align the screws. And then you can put the entire unit back on the board. Now, again, once you've got the handle back installed, so you put the handle back on, faceplate is on, then in goes the 4 top screws, and then you can tighten the 4 screws on each edge. Now keep in mind again that the 4 screws around the edges are spring-loaded. So that means you're going to have to push down in order to get those in and seated onto the board.